Hello everyone, today's really exciting. Today is the launch of one of my latest automation courses, that is, which is the thumbnail automation course. Now, this teaches a really unique method. I've discovered this myself. There's literally no training online that shows non-tech, non-coders how to automate basically creating thumbnails from scratch. And then I take this one step further and show you how you can automatically update your thumbnails on YouTube as well. So basically creating a complete system to automating thumbnail design, okay? And it gives you full flexibility with the parts of the thumbnails that you want to design or replace with dynamic data. So this is really cool, and you can actually apply this training to anything. You can literally connect it to like a Google Sheet document, put in a whole bunch of motivational quotes, or connect it to AI and then automatically generate tons and tons of thumbnails. I don't teach that specific method in the training, but I do teach how to connect YouTube and then automatically upload the YouTube video and the thumbnail design for it, replacing it with dynamic data, okay? I would recommend when you visit the page to watch this 1 minute 27-second video, because that shows the after effects of what you're going to be able to apply once you learn the method. Let's just scroll down. This is the page, and like I said, you can literally upload tons and tons of videos to a single folder on your desktop, which will then automatically send to YouTube and start uploading and scheduling those videos out, whilst at the same time automatically creating thumbnails for each of those videos and automatically assigning those thumbnails to those YouTube videos. So this is really, really cool. Now, also, I'm really pretty excited about this launch. So I've done something that I don't usually do, which is I've created some bonuses with my course. So what you're going to get is I'm also going to give you, inside the training area, 20 plus personalized high quality thumbnail templates. This is literally, you can just implement this straight away and start mimicking the design. You've got the one-click automation template, so you're going to learn this method, but if you don't want to set everything up step by step yourself, you'll be able just to use the template, import it into your own account, and then start automating away. And you're also going to get lifetime access support to me and my community, where you can ask your questions and I will give you hand holding in detail support, okay? I've really thought everything through for you and the best way to help you, etc. And I figured if you do struggle at any point with the course or implementing something, I want to be there for you. I want to hold your virtual hand, and I want to really guide you in making this your own, so you can actually accomplish what I'm training. I don't think you will have any problems, but you know, sometimes we do, and it's not an issue. There is no problem asking anyone for a little bit of support. That's what I'm here for, and that's what I want to give you. So this will be launching today. If you're watching it today, it will be 4 p.m. UK time and 10 a.m. US time, okay? Don't sit back on this. This is really exciting. Also, the price will be going up every 2 hours. The countdown's not yet started because it's not gone live yet, but once it does, the price will be going up every 2 hours, so just make sure you get in at the early bird discount. But yeah, I cannot wait to start connecting with you guys, seeing how mad you can take this, because it's definitely scalable. And yeah, just super excited. So I hope to see you inside, and let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below.